1 p.m. to 4 p.m. aago kan sí aago mẹ́rin. Yorùbá call it ọ̀sán gangan. So aago kan sí aago mẹ́rin ọ̀sán gangan. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. ọ̀sán gangan. Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà? Ẹlẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Bello Ifeoluwa. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Ifeoluwa. To my new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. You guys are the best. You guys are encouraging me to do more. Thank you very much. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you very much. I love you guys and there is nothing you can do about it. So what are we teaching ourselves today? We'll be teaching ourselves time of the day in Yorùbá language. Time of the day. Ìyẹn ni àsìkò inú ọjọ́, àsìkò ọjọ́ ní èdè Yorùbá, àsìkò ọjọ́ ní èdè Yorùbá. 6 a.m. aago mẹ́fà. 10 a.m. aago mẹ́wàá. So 6 a.m. aago mẹ́fà sí aago mẹ́wàá to 10 a.m. Yorùbá call it òwúrọ̀. Òwúrọ̀. So 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. aago mẹ́fà sí aago mẹ́wàá. Yorùbá call it òwúrọ̀. 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Ìyálẹ̀ta. 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Ìyẹn ni aago mẹ́wàá sí aago méjìlá. 10 a.m. to 12 noon.
Yorùbá call it ìyálẹ̀ta. Ìyálẹ̀ta.
Ìyálẹ̀ta. 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Ìyálẹ̀ta. 12 noon to 1 p.m. ọ̀sán. 12 noon
to 1 p.m. ọ̀sán. Ìyẹn ni aago méjìlá sí aago kan.
Ọ̀sán. Aago méjìlá sí aago kan. Yorùbá pè é ní ọ̀sán. Yorùbá call it ọ̀sán. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. aago kan sí aago mẹ́rin. Yorùbá call it ọ̀sán gangan. So aago kan
sí aago mẹ́rin ọ̀sán gangan. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m.
ọ̀sán gangan. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. yẹn ni aago mẹ́rin sí aago márùn-ún. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. ìrọ̀lẹ́. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
ìrọ̀lẹ́. So aago mẹ́rin sí aago márùn-ún ìrọ̀lẹ́.
Aago mẹ́rin sí aago márùn-ún ìrọ̀lẹ́. So 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. ìrọ̀lẹ́. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. àṣálẹ́. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. àṣálẹ́. So aago márùn-ún sí aago méje àṣálẹ́. Aago márùn-ún sí aago méje àṣálẹ́. So 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. àṣálẹ́. 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. aago méje sí aago méjìlá. 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. alẹ́. 7 p.m.
to 12 a.m. alẹ́.
12 a.m. to 1 a.m. òru. 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. òru. Aago méjìlá òru sí aago kan. 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. òru. 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. ọ̀gànjọ́. 1 a.m. aago kan ọ̀gànjọ́. 2 a.m. aago méjì ọ̀gànjọ́. So
1 a.m. to 2 a.m. is ọ̀gànjọ́. 1 a.m. to 2 a.m.
ọ̀gànjọ́. 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. àjìn. 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. àjìn yẹn ni aago méjì àjìn. 4 a.m. aago mẹ́rin àjìn. So 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. àjìn.
Yorùbá call it
àjìn. 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. àjìn. 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. àfẹ̀mọ́jú. 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. 4 a.m. aago mẹ́rin àfẹ̀mọ́jú to 6 a.m. aago mẹ́fà àfẹ̀mọ́jú.
So 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. àfẹ̀mọ́jú. 4 a.m.
to 6 a.m. àfẹ̀mọ́jú. Òwúrọ̀, good morning. Òwúrọ̀, good morning. Afternoon, ẹ̀káàsán o. Ẹ̀káàsán o. So in the night, alẹ́, ẹ̀káalẹ́ o. In the evening, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ o. In the middle of the night, ẹ kú òru o, ẹ kú àjìn o, ẹ kú ọ̀gànjọ́ o. So that's how Yorùbá greet themselves. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. Thank you very much. Hi.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, start from the beginning.